Maintain a stunning garden with minimal effort using time-saving hacks. Let's delve into some ingenious techniques that'll help you work smarter, not harder. First, let's talk about clever garden tools. One such tool is the multi-purpose shears, a lifesaver for any gardener. These shears are not just for pruning, they can cut, dig, and even transplant smaller plants. With a single tool you can perform multiple tasks, reducing the need to carry around a whole toolkit. It's a true time saver and a must-have for every gardener. Now, let's shift our focus to garden layouts. An efficient layout can significantly reduce maintenance time. Consider planting in raised beds or containers. Not only do they add a unique aesthetic, but they also make it easier to reach your plants, reducing the strain on your back. Moreover, grouping plants with similar care requirements together can streamline your watering and fertilizing routine. Next, weeding. Yes, it's a chore, but did you know that mulching can save you a lot of time here? Mulch not only retains moisture in the soil, but it also suppresses weed growth. By putting down a layer of mulch, you can save yourself from the tiresome task of constant weeding. Lastly, don't forget about mulching. Mulching isn't just for weed control. It also reduces the need for frequent watering and enriches the soil as it breaks down. Choose organic mulch like bark or compost and see how it transforms your garden while saving you time. With these time-saving hacks, you can enjoy a beautiful garden without spending all your time on maintenance. Remember, gardening is not about rushing through tasks. It's about enjoying the process, the tranquility, and the fruits of your labor.